Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a content creator at the intersection of the presentation space and the productivity space, and I run a presentation design business. Now, if you found yourself juggling multiple projects at once with looming deadlines at all different stages and with several clients waiting on you, then you're in the exact same boat as me, and this video is for you. Now, earlier this week, I had this crazy moment where everything felt urgent, nothing felt organized, and I was basically just reacting to whoever had emailed me most recently. I knew I had to get organized in order to make any sort of progress, and so I built this system in Monday.com that shows me exactly what's happening across all of my projects at once, and it completely transformed how I work. This tool really helped me get over some humps, and so today I'm showing you my exact setup, how I track client projects, how I manage my team, and actually know what I should be working on at any given point in time without constantly feeling behind. Let's get right into it. Now, one quick note before we dive in. Monday.com is the sponsor of this video, which works out perfectly because they totally solved my project chaos. There's a free version with a link below, and there is no credit card needed. Let's get back to the magic. So here's my situation. I'm juggling client projects in different phases. Plus, I have to create social media content, and I'm working on new brand partnerships. So I need to know instantly, what am I working on today? What's due this week? What are my priorities? So let me show you this setup. I actually like to run two Monday.com accounts. One for personal projects and content creation, and then one that's solely dedicated to client work. This keeps my brain separated between business mode and creative mode. Let me show you the personal one first. Now again, it's completely free to sign up and get started. And when I need to start a new project, I don't ever build anything from scratch, right? Monday has templates for everything. So here I'm using the Design Weekly Tasks template, because it's perfect for how presentation workflows actually go, right? It has a brief, design, revisions, and delivery. Now watch how fast this thing sets it up. Boom, 5 sample tasks, status tracking, designer assignments, right? This is all within the core foundation. And now all I have to do is make it my own. Now here you can see the 5 sample tasks, and that all of the tasks get marked with a designer and with a status. Now here's what makes this tool super powerful. I can see all of my tasks at a glance. I can see what stage each project is in. I can see who's working on it, and ultimately I can see when it's due. Now let me set up a real project to show you a little example. This is going to be for a Tesla times Coca-Cola presentation template that I need to design. I'm going to adjust the table space here, and I'm going to rename the task. And now I'm going to click into it and add all of the context, right? This is going to be a detailed view where everything lives. We're going to have files here. We'll have deadlines here. We'll have updates. We'll have notes. And ultimately, we'll have it all in one place, which is great. Then I'm going to delete my columns that I don't need, right? So I don't need this brief column, and I'm going to add what I actually do need. By the way, too, there's tons of column types, right? There's connect boards, there's timelines, there's drop downs. So you can really pinpoint whatever works best for your specific workflow. Now, if you need a different type of tracking, you can also use Monday.com for things like a rating system or team voting. It literally comes equipped with everything, and they really thought of almost every category that you'd ever need. And of course, there are AI-powered features that are already built in. So things like translating, summarizing, and writing with AI, all of these tools help me organize and communicate much, much faster. The real beauty is I'm not having to manage projects in my head anymore. It's all visualized. Here's my progress. Here's what's waiting on feedback. Here's what's done. And here's what's ready to go out to the client. And yes, I can attach files next to each task. So when I finish a draft, all I have to do is upload it here. Then everything related to this project will live within this task, and I continue working on them anywhere, anytime. I'm going to make sure to add a reminder column by using the text column, and I'm going to rename it reminder. When all of the work is done, I only make my work account as the co-designer, and all of the files and reminders will be aligned with my work account. That's also super useful, right? It really saves me a lot of time from having to go back and forth between different applications, from different emails, etc. And as I work through the week, I'm going to update the status. When something moves from in progress to done, that visual feedback feels really good. And of course, it's progress, as you can see. Here's my active client work. Right now, like I mentioned, I have this Tesla times Coca-Cola presentation. I have some collab reels. I have an infographic deck to complete and a few other projects in progress. Now here's a super powerful feature, sub-items. So let's say that the Tesla presentation isn't just one deliverable, but it's several, right? I also need an AI video version, and maybe I need a PDF export. I can now break out the main task into sub-items, and each sub-item can have its own status, its own deadline, its own owner. And of course, it's easy to drag and reorder tasks based on the priority. Now, here's where collaboration becomes super easy and seamless. I need my editor Lola to handle the AI video task. And instead of sending her a long email with attachments and instructions, I just assign her to this task, right? She instantly gets a notification. The task then shows up in her dashboard, and I can add all the context she needs right here. Files, notes, reference links, whatever. I set a deadline so she knows when it's due, and then I can track the status as well. Now, when she updates it to in progress or done, I get that notification and I can see that immediately as well. Now check out this timeline view. This is where I like to do all of my strategic planning for the entire week. You'll see how the Tesla presentation and the collab reels are overlapping. That tells me that I need to either front load one project or I need to bring in help. The Tesla presentation is obviously high priority here. I have a short deadline. It needs to be done ASAP. And then the collab reels have a bit more breathing room. So I might actually work on the infographic and the reels in parallel. Now, every project is going to go through phases, right? Brief received, design in progress, waiting on client feedback, final delivery. These status labels are going to help me see at a glance where everything is and how we're tracking against everything. Now, if I see 3 projects that are stuck in a waiting on feedback phase, I know I need to follow up with clients. It's like having a bird's eye view of my entire business. Okay, so what you saw there, that's the setup. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. So every morning, I go to monday.com and I go to my work tab, right? And instantly I can see what's assigned to me, what's due today, and what's coming up for the rest of the week. Everything's organized by time. Today, this week, next week, and so forth. I can see exactly how many tasks I need to finish this entire week. And I can see what's coming up next week too. Gives me time to plan ahead. And if something's overdue, it shows up in red, so I literally cannot ignore it. And from here, I can jump straight into any task. I can see all of the details. I can make updates. I can upload files. I can do whatever I need. The mental clarity and efficiency this gives you is incredible, and I promise you won't want to go back. And okay, last but not least, one more cool thing I need to show you. Monday just launched this AI digital worker called Monday Sidekick. It's totally different from those typical AI chatbots that are just giving you suggestions. I mean, this thing literally does work for you, and it understands the context of my projects, the context of my team, and my deadlines. Watch this, I'll show you real quick. So I'm going to click the sidekick icon next to an individual item to open the chat. I can then make changes, I can ask questions, or I can run actions. And of course, you can use this AI agent on the entire board exactly like this. For me personally, I would use this to summarize my projects, to draft client emails based on my progress, and to send task reminders and more. Definitely worth trying out if you need an extra hand. To wrap up, whether you're a designer, a creator, a freelancer, a business owner, whatever, this kind of one-stop shop workspace is a game changer. It's easy, it's powerful, and it consolidates a ton of useful features in one place. It's saved me from jumping across to different apps. Now, check out the link below and set up your first board. And if this was helpful, subscribe, because I'm constantly making these workflow and productivity videos alongside my presentation tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.